Hello everyone, this is Hava from Hava Wellness. I'm so excited to see people, and this recording probably will be recorded on my Instagram page. I would like to focus today on something. As you see, for the couple weeks I speak all about circulation, to sending a blood flow toward the areas where you have a problem, where you have a disease. Meantime, we covered hand exercise. Yesterday we spoke about exercise for our roots, which is our feet. We did different exercise with Master Kamen, which was absolutely incredible. We've got amazing feedback. How did you feel after doing this exercise? Hopefully you did even a few minutes. You did this beautiful exercise and gave some love to yourself. Today I was thinking about something, and then I said, well, many times people will come up and say, Hava, I don't have time. I'm such a busy person that I don't have time. So I have a solution for you. If you don't have time to take care of yourself, it's a big problem. But we still can squeeze a love, a care in the daily tasks, what it can be. Well, in that case, I found a very good solution for the busy men and women out there. When you're in a shower, right, you usually lather yourself with the soap and you enjoy, and you're like using this kind loofah, and then you enjoying with the good smell, and you're using some nice soaps that you like. I feel that's a waste of time. You can use this precious time to take care of your body. You might say, how I'm doing it? Well, first of all, throw this stuff out. You don't need them anymore. Next, I would suggest to get a Korean sponge. Sponges that are, when you rub them, you really feel that you scrub your body. Okay, so now instead lathering with this soft, we're gonna use something more harsh. This is a Korean sponge. This is also a Korean sponge. It's kind of infused with charcoal. I tried different things. And all what you do is, while you're lathering yourself with the soap, make sure that you're using a good soap and not toxic soap. Usually I suggest turpentine bar soaps, or I would suggest Dr. Bronner soap, which is a eucalyptus, peppermint. They're all good because they are opening up the system. Make sure that you use a filtered water on that case as well. And what you need to do is start scrubbing yourself. And in reality, when you go over and you scrub your body, let's say you start with your hands, then you go further, and then you go under your lymph nodes. Hey, what you do? You actually now creating circulation. You bringing a new blood. You helping to drainage your lymph nodes. Toxins are building up. Your job is to open them up. So if you're already in the shower, do not use this. Throw this. Start with the sponge and start scrubbing, working on yourself, on every area. Work on your stomach. Really massage your stomach. It's very important to understand that you must work, and then you can work in a circle motion. You can also scrub yourself this way. You can also do some exercise while you're taking a shower. Put and press, touch yourself. Feel if you have a little bit pain. Maybe while you scrubbing yourself and creating circle, you might feel a little bit pain. Okay, so that means you have a stagnation here. That means you have a problem here. We need to open the problem. We need to work on this area. Not forget about that. So when you come out from the shower, maybe rub some castor oil. Maybe give some more love. Speak to your organs. Speak to your liver. Many people have a congested liver. And most people are suffering from lack of circulation in the area. The liver is working so hard. If you are angry, if every single day you angry, that's because your liver is overworking. And you don't understand, why is this anger? This anger because the liver is stagnant. So while you are in the shower, just give some love and start working on your liver and talk to your liver. You know, some people sing, right? When they're in the shower, oh, they sing the opera. Well, you can do the opera in the shower and speaking and giving affirmation to your parts of your body. This is so incredible and so easy done. So when people come and tell me, Hava, I don't have a time, I'm such a busy person. Even if you're busy, there is a certain times in that you can give love to yourself. And I found the shower works amazingly because I have so many clients that are being able to really succeed by this simple path. And guess what? After 40 days doing that, it will be already part of you. It will kind of be a part of your daily setup. You will remember that this is what you do. In the beginning, it seems crazy. Okay, I'm going to talk to my liver. Okay, I'm going to work on my stomach. Yeah. Hava is crazy, what she's talking. Okay, but she said I should do it. And and then after 40 days, you're like, okay, I want to go to the shower. I want to start taking care and loving myself. Isn't that easy? It's possible. It's just a mind switch. We have to stop thinking, I have to go to the gym to do the exercise. I have to do this. You can just look at your day, and anything that's in there, if you can squeeze a little bit love toward yourself, you're gonna see an amazing results. So that's why I wanted to make this video to really tell you about, while you're in the shower, scrub yourself. And I would say, in the beginning, you might feel some redness, which is good. Many people are afraid when they see that they have a little bit redness, or sometimes even a little bit bruises. Like here, one time I got a bruise here, like here. That's okay. The bruise it's not actually a bruise. It's something that it's the way the body creates the toxins. It builds up, and then the toxins come out from there. That's why we use exercise, which is clapping. The same way, when you clap, you create circulation. You might bruise a little bit. That's good. You opening up those hidden toxins that you never thought that are there. You know, so this is what I wanted to tell you. And if you have any questions, I see that I have so many people live. Wow, that's so nice to see everyone. Do you have any questions? You can ask me, or I don't know. Okay, let's give a try. If anyone have any comment? No comments. People just enjoying to see me. That's very good. I'm happy to see everyone. I'm happy to see Esty. Hello, Esther, all the way from New York. How are you, my love? It's good to see all the people. It's just the power to heal is in your own hands. You just have to switch the mindset. And once you switch the mindset, good things will happen. Start thinking outside of the box. Don't think inside the box. Think outside. Always look outside. Try new things. Be open. It's absolutely incredible. Okay. All the best, everyone, from Hava Wellness. Bye.